Welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In this video, we are looking at a 1998 Case IH 8575 in fair condition. This square baler produces 4x3 foot bales. It requires a minimum of 200 horsepower to operate and is powered by a 1000 RPM power takeoff. This square baler features a standard bale chute, monitor, and rebuilt knotter. Thank you for viewing this 1998 Case IH 8575. If you are interested in the square baler and would like more information, give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010 or go to our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.